Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my salt mackerel. This is my pot here. This is the star, the mackerel fish. So we're going to start by packaging this mackerel, placing it in a pot. We're gonna add some water, at least above the mackerel, just enough water, and boil it for 15 minutes. As you can see, it's now boiling. To just extract the salt from it, because it's a salt mackerel. This is how it looks after boiling it. So we start by removing all the bones, the head, the skin, whatever you don't want to be there. Some people leave the skin, and I saw somebody left the skin and bones, but I'm gonna take out everything. This is how it looks. So I have my tomatoes, I have my sweet peppers, I have my onions and chive ready to saute. So I added some olive oil, and then we'll saute it for a few minutes and then add the fish to it. And then we just stir it up for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna add some balsamic vinegar, stir it up, and then my cayenne pepper, and then some black pepper. I used some peppercorns, and then tomato ketchup. It's optional. I just added things that I want to add. We stir it up, cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes for tomatoes to release their juices, and this is how it looks. It smells good, it looks lovely. I was inspired by WhaToCook Trini Recipes and more, so I'm gonna leave the link below. So this is ready now. So we turn off the stove and we serve it with flour dumplings, yams, and pumpkins. Delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. Like and share. Bye.